Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Tonight I'm going to be taking you through just a weeknight in my life. This definitely isn't our typical routine by any means, but my boyfriend and I have had some errands to run today and I thought it would be fun to take you guys along. We are getting the final touches put on our apartment. We just recently ordered a turntable, so we're picking up the stand for that. We've got some posters to hang and things like that. So I figured I would take you guys along, so let's go ahead and get started. How pretty does the city look? This is like that perfect golden hour time when the sun just hits like perfectly on all of the buildings. Before we run those errands, I'm just gonna clean up the apartment a little bit and I'm gonna see you guys down so you can watch. Michael, if you're watching, this clip is for you. We have an obsession with watching Deloitte change its colors because all of the other buildings light up most days, but Deloitte hardly ever lights up its little lights. So if you live in Charlotte, comment below if you think that Wells Fargo needs to light up the jukebox, because just in comparison to the rest of the skyline, it gets hidden. Right? Petition to light up the Wells Fargo jukebox.